For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin, forecast for the next 24 hours. Cyclone Amphan has nearly concluded its journey, but its remnant still lies over northeastern parts and continues to give weather, and is likely for the next about 48 hours or so. In the meantime, the other weather features over various parts of the country, as we see on this map. Cyclonic circulation is a remnant of Cyclone Amphan. It prevails over parts of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, adjoining Meghalaya region. The other system is a feeble cyclonic circulation over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh neighboring region. This is a dry circulation, and western disturbance over parts of Jammu Kashmir and neighborhood, and finally a system as a cyclonic circulation over Lakshadweep area in the Southeast Arabian Sea off Kerala coast. This system is causing a lot of weather. Still, parts of Assam, particularly lower and middle portion, they had in excess of 100 millimeter of rainfall at many places, and so is the condition even over Arunachal and Upper Assam and parts of Meghalaya also. This system is though weakening, but then will continue this activity in the next 24 hours also. With this, the temperature over this area is likely to be suppressed. Cyclonic circulation over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh is basically because of the heat which is over this region. There are heat wave conditions over parts of Uttar Pradesh. Temperatures in excess of 42, 43, reaching 44 at many places, but this dry circulation will not be generating any weather activity as such other than this heat. Western disturbance is there over Jammu Kashmir region. There is a clouding over the hills. There is an activity, though in patches, though isolated, over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. In association with this, the foothills of Punjab and Haryana, wherein Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, in Chandigarh, Panchkula, these are the places which can have some thunderstorm activity towards sometime late in the afternoon or evening. The other parts of Punjab, Haryana, generally the temperature will be in excess of the normals. Isolated places can still have some dust raising wind activity or some dust storm. The main central parts will continue to have excess temperatures without any other weather activity. This circulation will cause rain thunder shower over Kerala, extending to parts of Karnataka also. It has happened in the past about 48 hours also. Similar weather pattern is expected, though a little on a reduced note over Kerala, parts of extreme Tamil Nadu, and then coastal parts of Karnataka. As we see the rainfall, as we said earlier also, next 24 hours we can see the rainfall activity that continues over the northeastern parts. Intense rainfall at few places still there, and also parts of Jammu Kashmir and adjoining area. The rainfall activity on a reduced note, that's over Kerala and adjoining parts of Tamil Nadu. The temperature, they need a little special mention now. They are rising in the absence of any significant activity over most parts of the country, especially the western and the central parts. The temperatures are rising. They are in excess of 40 degree over entire region. The first 46 of this season has already been recorded at Vijayawada. That's the highlight also, because the heat wave has become expansive and extended and covered parts of Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana also. In addition to that 46 at Vijayawada, the neighborhood, Khammam in Telangana 45.6, Bapatla in Andhra Pradesh 45.6. They just missed it by a whisker. And similarly, parts of Rajasthan are in excess of 45 degree, highest at Bikaner at 45.4 degree, and Badmer, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, they all follow the also recorded 45 or more. These conditions are going to persist for the next at least about 48 hours or so. Watch out for the heat strokes at all these places, central parts, western parts, and extending to southern parts of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. This is the update from Skymet. Keep connected with the Skymet for further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.